Regression trees. So far, every decision tree we've built answers a yes or no question. Will someone play tennis? Is this email spam? But what if the thing you want to predict is a number? Like how many minutes someone will spend on the court? Good news. Decision trees can predict numbers too. Welcome to regression trees. Let's start with a concrete data set. We have 8 days of tennis data. Each day has an outlook, a temperature, and a target. Minutes played. On sunny hot days, people played around 30 to 40 minutes. On overcast days, about 60 to 75. On rainy, cool days, 80 to 110. Our goal: build a tree that predicts minutes played from the features. Quick recap of the difference. Classification predicts a category, yes or no. Spam or not spam. Regression predicts a continuous value, a price, a temperature, a duration. The tree building logic stays almost the same. We still pick features, we still split data top down. The only thing that changes is how we measure the quality of a split. In classification, we used entropy or Gini. For regression, we use mean squared error or MSE. The formula is simple. Take every value in the node, subtract the mean, square the difference, average all those squared differences. Low MSE means values are tightly clustered. High MSE means they're all over the place. Let's compute MSE for our dataset. The 8 values are 30, 40, 60, 75, 65, 80, 100, and 110. The mean is 70. Now compute these squared differences. 30 minus 70 squared is 1600. 40 minus 70 is 900. And so on for each value. Average them all. The parent MSE comes out to about 656. That's our starting point. Now let's try splitting on outlook. The sunny group has values 30, 40. Mean is 35. MSE is 25. The overcast group has 60, 75, 65. Mean is about 67. MSE is about 39. The rain group has 80, 100, 110. Mean is about 97. MSE is about 156. The weighted child MSE is 2 over 8 times 25. Plus 3 over 8 times 39 plus 3 over 8 times 156. That's about 79. MSE reduction is 656 minus 79. That's 577. A huge reduction. Outlook is a great first split. Here's where regression trees differ most from classification trees. In a classification tree, the leaf predicts the majority class. In a regression tree, the leaf predicts the mean. So the sunny leaf predicts 35 minutes. The overcast leaf predicts 67 minutes. The rain leaf predicts 97 minutes. Simple as that. To recap, regression trees follow the exact same greedy top-down strategy as classification trees. The only change is the criterion. Swap entropy or Gini for mean squared error. Leaves output a mean instead of a class label. Same engine, different fuel. In the next video, we'll tackle what happens when our features are continuous numbers, not neat categories.